Today I will be talking about elements and atoms. Elements are the things that make up all the substances around us. Some common compounds are water and carbon dioxide. The scientific way that you say these are H2O and CO2. The periodic table shows you all of the atomic numbers. The protons define the element. How many protons means what element you will get. So hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2 protons, and so on. If you have carbon, you cannot have a carbon with 7 protons. It will turn into nitrogen. A neutron has the same mass as proton, but without air, an electric charge. The nucleus, the middle part of an atom, has the protons the same amount as the atomic number. If there are 6 neutrons in the nucleus, it will be called carbon-12. The electrons are the negative charge of the atom. If there are the same amount of protons and electrons in the atom, is neutral. If you somehow add more electrons, the atom will give off a negative charge. If it loses an electron, it will give off a positive charge.